Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer your Polkadot tokens from your Phantom wallet to the Bitrue exchange in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're staking, trading, or just reorganizing your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both your Phantom wallet and a Bitrue account set up. Phantom is a popular wallet for managing assets on the Polkadot network, and Bitrue is a reliable exchange for trading. Start by opening your Phantom wallet app or extension on your device. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet dashboard and locate your Polkadot balance. It's usually listed under your Assets tab. Next, head over to your Bitrue account. Log in. Go to the deposit section and select Polkadot from the list of supported cryptocurrencies. This will generate a unique wallet address for you. Copy that address carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Now, back in Phantom wallet, select the Polkadot asset and choose the Send or Transfer option. Paste the Bitrue wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of DOT you want to transfer, but remember to leave enough for any network fees. Polkadot transactions are fast, but fees can vary, so keep an eye on that. Before you hit confirm, review everything: the address, the amount, and the fees. Once you're sure, approve the transaction. You'll need to sign it with your wallet's security features, like a password or biometric verification. Sit tight while the blockchain processes it. Most Polkadot transfers take just a few minutes. Once it's done, hop back to Bitrue and check your account balance. Your DOT should appear shortly. And there you have it. Your transfer is complete. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets for large amounts and stay updated on any 2025 protocol changes. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.